Okay, so this video shows you how you can magically extract text from any photo, doesn't matter whether it's stored on your computer or the internet, and then paste it into a Word document or a text editor. Details coming up. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things will help us make more great videos for you. So as I say, what you can do is you can just select text from any of the any pictures that you've got on your computer. So let's just do this. Let's just select text from one of my videos there. Okay, so selected that. Then what we do is let's just go into Word. So let's just open Word. You can do this in a text editor as well. If you want something like Notepad, let's just go into a blank document and let's paste. And there you go. That's actually copied and pasted that text from that photo in Google of one of my videos into Word. And like I say, you can do this with absolutely any photograph or text that you can't ordinarily copy on your computer. So how do we do it? Well, first of all, we need to install a program, and what we need to install is Powertoys. This is developed by Microsoft and the Powertoys community. It's not an official Microsoft product, but it is designed by people from Microsoft in their spare time, as I believe. So how do you install it? So to get Powertoys, you have to be running Windows 10 or Windows 11. And what you need to do is you need to find the Microsoft Store. So just click on the Start button and just type Store on your keyboard. Then hopefully after a few seconds under Best Match, you should see Microsoft Store app. Move your mouse over this, left click once. Once you're into the Microsoft Store, then hopefully you should be able to see the search apps, games, movies and more right at the top of the screen there. Click in there and type in there Powertoys, all one word, all in lowercase. That's Powertoys. Then press enter or return on your keyboard, or click or tap the search magnifying glass just there in the right hand corner of the row that you just typed. Then after a few seconds you should see Microsoft Powertoys, and move your mouse over the blue and white install there, left click once. It might take a while to download because it is rather a large app. It does other things as well as obviously copying and extracting text. But you can have a look through this, and perhaps I'll do some other videos on some other features if you like this one. So let that download, hopefully shouldn't take too long, and there we go, it's now downloaded, and hopefully in a few moments it will say installing. There we go, so it now says installing, but keep an eye on the bottom of the screen. If you see a blue and yellow shield flashing at the bottom of the screen like I do, then move your mouse over it, left click once. The screen will probably darken and it will say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Well, make sure that it says Microsoft and the verified publisher is Microsoft Corporation. If it says that, then move your mouse over yes, left click once, and then it should continue to install. Wait a while for it to install. When it does install, you will see completed or installed like mine says. Then we can just shut down this box just here and we can find something to copy. So what I've done is I've just opened up Edge and I'm just having a look. Right, okay, so here's a couple of videos of mine. So let's just try and copy this here. So what we need to do to initiate the copy is we need to hold down the Windows key. Now the Windows key is on the bottom row of keys on your keyboard, usually between the CTRL and ALT key, or if you've got a laptop it may be between the FN key and the ALT key. It's on the bottom row of keys on your keyboard and it has a Windows flag on it. So hold that down. The Shift, now that is an arrow pointing upwards, usually on the left hand side of the keyboard on the second row of keys, and then tap T for Tango. So that's Windows key, Shift and T for Tango. Then let go of all three keys and you'll know you've done it right because the screen will darken. Now move your mouse over the text that you want to copy and then click and hold the left mouse button and just drag a box down until you've highlighted all that you want to copy. So I've gone a bit too far there. Let's just close it up there because I just want to copy that text just on the left hand side of the little box. So once you've highlighted what you want to copy, let go of the left mouse button, okay, and then the screen will go back to normal, and then you can open up any app, like I say, it could be Word, anything you can put text into. So let's just open Notepad up, say for instance. I'm going to open up Notepad, okay, click the right mouse button, go down to paste, click the left mouse button, and there you go. It's actually copied the text from the picture, and a little bit of it has got confused there because, as you can see, we've got a star and a minus beside Facebook. There is some stuff in the background there, but you can manually just edit that out, and you can move the text around should you wish. Now, what if you don't want Powertoys running all the time? Let's just close this lot down. And if we click in the arrow pointing upwards near our clock, there's the Powertoys icon just down there. So double click into that, and after a few seconds, the Powertoys window will open up. That was a double left click, by the way. Okay, and we've got here general. Let's just open this box up. So we've got options here. So download updates automatically. It's okay to leave that on. But we've got an option here to say run at startup. So if we don't want Powertoys running at startup, then we can switch that switch off just by clicking on it, and it won't run at startup. And all we need to do is just run it ourselves. So if we want to do that, then all we need to do is click on the start button there, type on our keyboard Powertoys, okay, and there you go. You get Powertoys preview come up, left click that, and Powertoys will run for you, and you'll have access to all of the Powertoys functions that are available to you. So you've got things on here as well, such as always on top, awake to keep your PC awake, colour picker if you want to pick a colour from the screen, fancy zones, that's create window layouts to help multitasking easier. You've got File Explorer add-ons there, an image resizer, keyboard manager to remap shortcut keys, a few mouse utilities there, power rename so you can rename files or folders, Powertoys run, which is another way of running programs, quick accents, so if you use accents in your text you can use that as well, screen ruler so you can see the actual width or the height of your screen, shortcut guide, so it gives you a help overlay showing you all the Windows shortcuts, and you've also got text extractor, which we've just been through, and video conference mute, which turns your microphone off. So there you go. That guide showed you how to basically extract text from anything on your PC, regardless of where it is. And don't forget, whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not have a look around? I've got thousands of other videos covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully you'll find something to educate you, entertain you, and maybe even amuse you. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like it, then don't forget to share this on your social media timelines. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Hit that subscribe button, then hit the bell, then hit all. You can also find me on Twitter at CWTech, and also find my website at cwtech.co.uk. Liking, sharing and subscribing really helps support this channel. Thank you very much.